Hey, I was sent this adhesive caulk by InstaTrim to check out. I do recommend the trim applicator tool. This can be purchased in a bundle or purchased separately. And here is the caulk itself. This is 1/2 inch and this is a 50-foot roll. This comes in various different widths and lengths. Here's the adhesive backing. This is what you're gonna stick to your surface. All right, so I'm in my bathroom now, and right by my tub, I kind of got this nasty area that never got trimmed in. So I'm gonna put this caulk down. Cutting this is super easy. No need for a saw. You can just use some scissors and it'll cut. All right, we're gonna peel back the back plastic and start working this in. Let's check this tool out here. This tool provides a nice seal with the caulk. This is a rubber material, so it forms along the surface that you are working on to create a secure seal. For best results, make sure you clean and prep your surface prior to putting on the caulk. This product is also made in the USA. So once you get it all laid out and lined up, I would use the tool to kind of go back and forth and get a nice seal. Now this isn't trim, this is caulk, so it's gonna give you a different look than trim. But this honestly does look like a perfect caulk line. I myself hate caulking. It is a pain, it is messy, so I really like how easy and convenient this was. This honestly did make a big difference on this area by my tub. This here was about 5 feet, so I got 45 more feet to work with, and I can use this for various projects around my house.